automatic parking brake started leaking fluid. It's dripping right out of the hydraulic cylinder. Luckily it didn't catch on fire because it's dripping right on the exhaust on the catalytic converter. So I think I found a guy online that rebuilds those things. So I guess I need to take it off and send it to him. Our last trip we went on, the automatic parking brake started leaking. It's a hydraulic actuated automatic parking brake. It started leaking hydraulic fluid, or what this uses is transmission fluid. And so I'm working on it, getting ready for our next trip. And this is the J71 auto brake on this workhorse chassis. It was leaking right here at this end cap. What it does, the pressure comes in here from the pump that's mounted up front and then pushes this rod out and releases the parking brake. So anytime you're going down the road, this is pushed out, and it's got, I think it's 1500 psi of pressure pushing that in. Then as soon as you shut it off and the pump shuts off, you've got a large spring that sits right here that pushes this back and sets the parking brake. So I went to our local bearing supply, found a new O-ring. This is the old O-ring. The old O-ring. And the way we got home is I stopped at a truck stop and got a quart of transmission fluid, put it in there, and then we booked it as far as we could go. And just a couple miles from home, it started, enough had leaked out to where it was starting to lock up on me. But we limped it in, got it parked, and so now I'm going to fix it. Hopefully won't have this problem again. But so let me get this installed and I'll test it out and see if that's the only leak we had. Okay, there's where that mounts. That big spring is in here. And then it pushes and pulls this rod to release the parking brake inside this drum. So let me get this back in. Okay, right there is where it was leaking before. So I may go start it up and take the brake off and cross our fingers. See any leaks. See, right now it's got 1500 psi and the parking brake is off. It's got that rod pushed in, which takes all the spring pressure off the brake. Okay, we should be good to go. See what our fluid looks like. Some of them have the pump mounted right on the end of the actuator, but this pump is up here in the front. Let me put the brake on and see how much fluid we lose, or actually we'll gain fluid.